southern Hundred and County.
Holy crap, guys, look at this.
Northern Bucks County in southeast Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. At 4:27 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour.
Check this out.
These storms
The phone's right over there.
along the line extending from Atlanta to
It's on the desk.
along the line extending from 16 miles southeast of Easton to 17 miles south of Easton and moving east to 20 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Chinicum Township, Pipersville, Gardenville, Byram, Stanbrook, Sargentsville, Lumberville, New Hope, and Stockton. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, large hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Wednesday evening for northern Delaware and northeastern Maryland and New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Hunterdon County, New Jersey, and Bucks County, Pennsylvania.
Double header. You gotta take this in.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey. This includes the cities of Perth Amboy, New Brunswick, South Central Morris County in northern New Jersey, Somerset County in northern New Jersey. This includes the city of Somerset County in northern New Jersey. This includes the city of Somerset until 5:15 p.m. 4:27 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Bridgewater or near Somerville and moving east 30 miles per hour. This storm is also capable of producing hail to the size of nickels. The severe thunderstorm will be near Mount Buck and Martinsville around 4:35 p.m. Middlesex around 4:45 p.m. Edison around 4:50 p.m. Colonia around 4:55 p.m. Perth Amboy around 5 p.m. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued
Holy
at
crap.
15 p.m. for the following counties in
That was
New
a big
Jersey,
one.
Middlesex, Morris, and Somerset. Here is a special weather statement for the following areas in New Jersey, Morris, and Somerset. Strong thunderstorms will affect Morris and Somerset counties. At 4:14 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated strong thunderstorms along a line extending from 5 miles west of Morristown to 7 miles east of Morristown, moving east at 15 miles per hour. The thunderstorms will be near Basking Ridge around 4:20 p.m., Florham Park around 4:30 p.m., Madison around 4:45 p.m., and Chatham around 4:50 p.m. Very heavy rain will fall from these storms and will cause water to flood on roads and quickly fill more drainage areas. Gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour are possible with these storms. Other thunderstorms may develop or move into this area from the severe thunderstorm watch number 490 remains in effect until 9 p.m. for the following county: Fairfield County, Connecticut, and the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, and Passaic, and the following counties in New York: Bronx, Brooklyn, Nassau, Manhattan, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Staten Island, Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester, and the following marine locations: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York, New York Harbor, Long Island South Shore base from Jones Inlet to Shinnecock Bay, New York, Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, and Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather. And close to the watch area, while severe weather is happening.
Ooh. Oh, that was a big one. No, sir.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for Queens County in southeast New York, northern Nassau County in southeast New York, Manhattan in southeast New York, Bronx County in southeast New York, Brooklyn in southeast New York, until 6:30 p.m. At 4:29 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain from thunderstorms trailing over the warned area. Excessive runoff with rainfall highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Most flood deaths occur in automobiles.
I closed the door.
Your vehicle into areas where the water
closed
covers
it.
the roadway. Flood waters are usually deeper than they appear.
Wow.
Just 1 foot of flowing water is powerful enough to sweep vehicles off the road. When encountering flooded roads, make the smart choice. Turn around, don't drown. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. Most flood-related deaths occur in automobiles.
Wow, this is
Do not
intense.
attempt to cross water-covered bridges, dips, or low water crossings. Never try to cross a flowing stream, even a small one, on foot. To escape rising water, move up to higher ground. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warning area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Do not attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or by automobile. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in New York: Bronx, Brooklyn, Nassau, Manhattan, and Queens. Here is a special weather statement for the following areas.
It's intense lightning back there, guys.
Morris and Somerset. Strong sun.
Oh, shoot.
Morris and
Watch out, Boomer. Another one. Oh, it's us!
County in northeast New Jersey, Hudson County in northeast New Jersey, until 6:30 p.m. At 4:35 p.m., National Weather Service Southern Bergen County in northeast New Jersey, Essex County in northeast New Jersey, Hudson County in northeast New Jersey, until 6:30 p.m. At 4:35 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain from thunderstorms running over the warned imminent. Most flood-related deaths occur in automobiles. Do not attempt to cross water-covered bridges, dips, or low water crossings. Never try to cross a flowing stream, even a small one, on foot. To escape rising water, move up to higher ground. A flash flood warning means occur in automobiles. Do not attempt to cross water-covered bridges, dips, or low water crossings. Never try to cross a flowing stream, even a small one, on foot. To escape rising water, move up to higher ground. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warning area, move to higher ground. Residents living in streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Do not attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or by automobile. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, and Hudson.
And me.